Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the HONITURE G20 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. A powerhouse cleaning device with 4,500 PA suction and a 3,200 mAh battery that ensures up to 180 minutes of operation, perfect for tackling up to 200 square meters in one go. This innovative robot vacuum boasts enhanced navigation with 23 sensors for smart obstacle avoidance and efficient zigzag cleaning, preventing falls and collisions while boosting cleaning efficiency by 50%. With its multifunctional design, the G20 Pro seamlessly integrates sweeping, suction, and mopping, allowing you to handle dust, debris, and liquid without hassle, thanks to its dual dust box and water tank setup. Its slim 7.6 cm profile allows it to clean under furniture with ease, while the 450 ml dust box and HEPA filtration ensure a thorough clean without dust re-entering the air. You can control this smart vacuum remotely via an app, Alexa, or Google Home, offering various cleaning modes and scheduling options, though it requires a 2.4 GHz network connection. The G20 Pro also features Carpet Auto Boost for deep cleaning and comes with a 2-meter boundary strip to define no-go zones, ensuring a tailored cleaning experience. Included in the package are essential accessories like side brushes, a mop holder, and a remote control, all backed by a 24-month worry-free warranty, making the HONITURE G20 Pro an ideal choice for a spotless home.